Okay, dear students, see now the problem number 6, question number 6, what they have given. Okay, see, give examples of two functions f, g. That means these two functions we have to design. He is asking us to design the function. Function f should be n to z. That means natural number to integers. And g function is from z to z. That means integers to integers. See here, natural number okay, we know, but integers he has not given any z plus, z star like that, z minus. Z means here all. That means minus negative integers 0, positive integers all will come in z. Okay, and also there is no control. N also from 1 to infinity, z also from minus infinity to plus infinity. See, as you know, function means, see, n to z means n should be fully occupied, otherwise it is not going to become function. That means from each element connection has to go. Here z also, first z, in g also both are z, but first the domain all should engage. That means minus infinity to plus infinity all should have connection or relation. Okay, now such that GOF should be injective. Injective means what? Injective means 1 1. Here GOF function should be injective, but G is not injective. That means G function should not be 1 1. Like that we have to design. Okay. See, in textbook only he has given hint. Same hint we can apply here, but that hint you will not get in examination. In our board examination only this question will come. You have to design. If hint you remember, okay. If you don't remember, then you have to design the function. Okay. Okay. Now we know very well what is 1 1, what is not 1 1. Okay. Not 1 1, there is no other name. For 1 1, injective. Okay. Let us write. You design like this. You see, two functions means 3 boxes or circles have to come, arrow diagram. Okay, say this is f, this is g, and from here to here this will go. See, you let us take ABC only, but here again you write a natural number, integers like. Why? Because see, function, what is the function? Function is GOF. See, f, he has given f is from n to z, comma, g is from z to z. Okay, but what is GOF? GO is from n to z only, but n to z means here two z's are there. That is why you are going to get confused. What I am going to do here, see how I am changing it. F is from A to B should be there. G is from B to C should be there for GOF. GOF from A to C. This is GOF. As we know, if F is from A to B and G is from B to C, GOF is A to C. This we know. That means GO is from A to C. Directly we have to see. B, GOF don't consider, but connection should be there. Okay, relation should be there. Connection means here relation. Okay, now you see what is n? N is 1, 2, 3, like that it will go up to infinity. Okay. What is the z? Z is minus infinity to plus infinity. In between minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, like that will be there. Okay. Same thing here also z, minus infinity, infinity, 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. See, remaining numbers are also there like this. Okay. This is domain, this is codomain. This is domain, this is codomain. This is acting like domain and codomain both. Why? Because see, for function f, this is codomain. For function g, this is domain. Okay. Now FOG we have to draw. See what he is asking. GOF should be 1 1, injective. GOF completely A to C should come 1 1, but G should not be 1 1. Okay, such that function we have to design. He has given fx is equal to x, gx is equal to modulus x he has given. Okay, same thing we can take. or else you can tie x square also. Gx is equal to x square. Okay, let me see here. Fx is x. Say f of x is equal to x. If you give 1, 1 will come. That means 1 to 1 connection will go. If you give 2, 2 to connection will go. Okay, we stop. Like this, every element from this domain will be occupied, and here connection will be for 1, 1 only. You see here 1 to 1, that's all. If you go back, there will be no another connection. Why? Because x equal to x should become. That is why this is 1, 1. You write 1, 1. Are injective. Both are same. Okay, as we know. Okay, now g of x. G of x modulus x. See, as per hint only we are writing, but this hint you will not get in an examination. You have to keep in mind. Okay, g of x is equal to modulus x. See here, modulus x means, first of all, see, for f, b elements are left, okay, not onto, but this is 1, 1, okay. But what about for g? For g, only these connections should not go, even these connections also should go, or else this is not going to become function g. Okay, see, minus 1, what will happen? It goes and plus 1. Minus 2, it goes to connection with plus 2. Why? Because modulus is there, na? Even if you give plus 1, minus 1, plus only will come. Positive numbers only will come. Okay. What about these 0 to 0 also will go? 1 to 1, 2 to 2. Okay. Now you tell me, 1 is having 2 pre-images, minus 1 and 1. 2 is having 2 pre-images, minus 2 and 2. Why? Because even if you give minus 1, 1 will come. 1, 1 will come. That is why 1 is having 2 pre-images. 2 is also having 2 pre-images. Like that, all elements are having 2 pre-images in this Z, last Z. Or C, I can say C. That is why I have written A, B, C. C, each image is having 2 pre-images. That is why this is many one. You write many one or not 1, 1. Not 1, 1, many 1. Okay. Now see, this is 1, 1, this is not 1, 1, that is okay. F A to B, G B to C, but we want G O F. G O F means F A to C. G O F, A to C. G O F is A to C. I have already written. See, 1 to 1, 1 to 1. That means 1 comma 1. Okay. 2 to 2, 2 to 2. That means 2 comma 2. 3 to 3. Like that only it will come. If you observe, like that only it will come. Then what we can say? Is it 1, 1 or not? GOF I am talking about. GOF is 1, 1. Why? Because see, for GOF 1, A will be one element only. See, B, for GOF there is no B. If you see here A to C, that's all. A and C you have to take. For each element only one pre-image. For GOF I am talking. Okay? See, for B there may be two elements. But for A it is only one element. One pre-image. That is why this is 1, 1. GOF is 1, 1. Okay? Like this you can answer your question, but you draw this arrow diagram. Arrow diagram you draw, you write like this: 1, 1 injective, not 1, 1, many 1, and this one also. Fx is equal to this one. You write fx is equal to x, comma, say 1, 1, 2, 2, dash, dash, dash. Like that you write, okay? And 1, 1, you write fx, gx. You write like this: minus 1, 1, plus 1, 1, dash, dash, dash. You write many 1. Many 1. Like this you write GOF is equal to 1, 1. Hence proved like that you have to write it. See. Now what I am asking you, rather than modulus x, if you write x square, what will happen? You think x square you have written. Here x square you have written for G rather than modulus. What will happen? Fx is same. 1 to 1 will come. But here x square means 1 square 1. Okay. 2 to 2 will go, but 2 square 4 will go. Okay. And 2 is having minus 2 is having here, root 2 will not be there. Okay, 1 is there, but 4 is having minus 2 and plus 2. Okay, from minus 2 also 4, plus 2 also 4. This is going to become many 1. Okay, but here all are occupied. Yes, all are going to occupy. Minus 2 also will give, plus 2 also will give, all will be square we can make. That means g is a function and many 1 function. Okay, here fx is there, only one function. Okay. What about GOF? GOF also one only. Why? Because see, f is 1 means automatically it will take only one element. That means what I want to say, even if you forgot modulus x in your examination, x square also you can write here. Okay, you try by putting x square here, g x square, you try. Okay, that is also one option. Let us go for 7th problem. See the 7th question. Give examples of two functions. Like 6th question only, he is asking f and x. He asking us to design f and x functions, f and g functions. But f should be from natural number to natural number, n to n. G also should be from natural number to natural number. Okay. Here modulus, modulus and all will not come. Why? Because modulus comes. Let us see n to n. Such that GOF is onto, but f is not onto. Okay, he has given a hint, same hint only we will take. We will design that function. Okay, you see 3 circles you have to draw or ellipse. Okay, all are natural numbers only here. Okay, now you take A, B, C. This is say f. This is f, this is g, A, B, C. Okay, all are natural numbers only, natural numbers. See, these are representation of numbers, but notation we can take A, B, C. Okay. Now see here, all are natural numbers means 1, 2, 3 to infinity will be there. 1, 2, 3 to infinity will be there. 1, 2, 3 to infinity will be there. Okay. Now we write here function 1 by 1. We write by function 1 by 1. See what he has given hint, that only we will take and we will prove. See, GOF should become onto. That means here C all should occupy. Otherwise it is not going to become onto. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. But F is not onto. That means F, this is not onto. Here in B, some elements may not have relation. That means here codomain and range may become different. That also we can see. Okay, what he has given, you see, f of x is equal to x plus 1 he has given. G of x is equal to x minus 1 if x is greater than 1. 1 if x is equal to 1. Like that he has given. Okay, this is the function. These are the two functions. Hint they have given. That means hint we will not get in examination. We are designed like you think these two. Okay. So f of x is equal to x plus 1 means what is going to happen? See, 1 is having relation to 2 only. 2 is having 3 only. 3 is having 4. Then 1 is going to left. But this up to infinity to go, yes, all is having connection. Last one element also is going to have connection, but this one is going to left. That is why this is not going to become onto. Why? Because one has left. Here codomain and range have both become different. We want f is not onto, f is not onto. We will write here not onto. Not onto, no word is there. You have to write not onto only. Onto means subjective is there. Not onto. Okay, we have written not onto. GOF is onto. Okay, before going GOF, first you see GX. GX, what we have designed? See, you think that this we have designed. You forget about hint. Why? Because in examination you don't get a hint. You have to remember this. gx 1 if 1. Okay, we have made connection 1. X minus 1 if x is greater than 1. See, without 1 all are greater than 1 only, na? Then greater than 1 means x minus 1 you have to make. 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 2, 4 minus 1 3. All is going to have connection. Okay, last element also is going to have connection here. This is going to become onto or surjective. You write this onto or surjective. Why? Because see, GOF what is coming we will say afterwards, but here G what is coming you have to know. If G is coming onto, like if you don't know, then you cannot answer this question. But F is coming not onto, that we know. F is coming not onto. Why? Because 1 for F 1 has left without any relation. 1 is not having any relation, any image. Okay, any pre-image. Now this has become onto. You have seen. Now you go for GOF. GOF means what? F of A to C. 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3 only it goes. Why? Because 3 to 4. 3 to, see here x plus 1, na? 3 to 4 it goes. Then 4 minus 1, 3. 3 to 3. That means if you GOF, every element is having connection for GOF. That means GOF is on to. Here all will be occupied. Why? Because see, why it has become, because 1 is having 2 connections. See, maybe many one, but we don't consider many one or one. We consider only onto or not. Whether this function f is onto or not, f is not onto. Why? Because one doesn't have any relation. G is onto, yes onto. Why? Because one is having relation with 1 and 2 both. Okay, that you have to keep in your mind. You write like this. See, f of x is equal to, say 1 if you give 2, 2 if you give 3, 3 if you give 4. You write again element 1 in codomain, no relation, therefore not onto. Okay, first you write this one. Then gx you write. Gx is equal to, see, gx 1 to 1, 1 to 1 comma 2 to 1, 3 to 2, 4 to 3, dash. Okay, and you write onto. Okay, onto. Then you write GOF. GOF is directly 1 to 1 comma 2 to 2 comma 3 to 3 dash. Okay, onto. Hence proved. That's all. Like this you write. Close this question. Let us go for 8th question. Okay, see the 8th question. You have to carefully understand this question, or else you are not able to answer properly. Given a non-empty set x, say some x set is there. Okay, what I am going to write, examples I am giving here. X set is there. Say x is equal to, say 1, 2, 3, like that is there. Okay, Px is power set. Power set, you know, P of x is equal to, say it will start from non-empty set, or else I will take only 2. Why? Because it will be easy for you. 2 means how many power set will come? 2 power 2, 4 will come. Okay, you see here, this is a set, main set or universal set, you can say. Power set is having one empty set will come, then one full set will come, then one will come, then 2 will come. Why? Because 2 power 2 elements are there. 2 power 2, 4. See, this is power set. See, for example I am writing, but the same example you can write for this question answer. Why? Because with example, even if you write, that will be okay. Now you see, power set x we have designed, power set also we have designed. Set of all subsets. See, power set is subset of all subsets. Okay, these are subsets of x. How many subsets? 2 power n subsets. Okay, that also okay. Define the relation R in Px as follows. See, Here relation is important. Why? Because question has asked whether relation is equivalence relation or not. Like the relation, what is relation? Relation is A or B. That means A to B relation is there. A to B relation is there. A or B also we can show like we have told. Or else you can write like this relation A to B. Function A to B like relation A to B is there. Okay, A to B relation is there. We understood. Define the relation R in Px, this power set as follows. For subsets AB, that is A or B, if and only if A is subset of B, that also you have to keep in your mind. A is subset of B means what I do first, rather than here, I go here. What I am going, you see here, I will write like this. A is equal to 1, comma, B is equal to 1, comma 2. Now you tell me A is subset of B or not? Definitely subset. Why? Because see, A is having one element, B is having one plus extra. B is superset, A is subset. Okay? Actually, if you take 3, that will be okay, but Px will come more. Now, what become here? B and X both have become equal. That is why you please take here 3, here only 1, 2. Then 3 means Px will be more. Okay? Like that it will come. Or else we will do same. I will take here, say Px is equal to 1, 2, 3 also. Okay. Now here Px is going to change. Power set. Power set is going to change. Power set what will come? 5 will come. Full 1, 2, 3 will come. Then 1 will come. 2 will come. 3 will come. Then 1, 2 will come. Then 1, 3 will come. Then 2, 3 will come. Okay. See, 3 means 2 power 3. 8 should come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, over. Okay. This is power set. X, power set of X. Then again, A you can take only one element. B you can take 1 and 2 as elements. Now you see, A is subset of B. Is it okay? First you see compatibility with this data. Let, you write here let, or else I am writing let here. Let X 1, 2, 3 power set, all these elements will come. Why? Because 3 elements means 2 power 3, 8 subsets. Okay. A is 1, B is 1, 2. Why? Because see, B I don't want to make B is equal to X. That is why X is having 3 elements, B is having 2 elements. A is having 1 element, A is subset of B. Okay. As per data it is okay. Now see, A is relation with B and A is subset of B. Same thing you write here also. A is subset of B. Okay. Now see here what he is asking. He is asking whether this relation is equivalence or not. Equivalence, if you want to prove, you have to prove that it will be reflexive, that will be symmetric, that will be transitive. We go one by one. First we see reflexive is there, okay. Then you go for symmetric. Symmetric is there. If okay, then you go for transitive. Symmetric is not there, then you stop. Anyway, that is not equivalence relation. That's all. Okay. Let us see here. See, what I want to say, we know that every set is subset to itself. Here see, set X is 1, 2, 3, but here also 1, 2, 3 has come. That means all subsets. In subset also full set will come. Like that, A is a subset of A. Is it correct or not? Correct. When A is subset of A, then A comma A belongs to R, therefore reflexive. Is it correct? Definitely it is correct. Why? Because A comma A belongs to R relation means okay. Now this relation has become reflexive. Okay. Then you go for symmetric also. Symmetric. For symmetric, what should be there? A, B should be there. B, C also should be there. Okay. Now A is subset of B. That means A comma B belongs to R. Okay. But is B is subset of A? You see here, B is a superset of A, not subset of A. Then what you have to write? You have to cross like this. B is not a subset of A. That means B comma A not belongs to R. That means non-symmetric, not an equivalence relation. That's all. Close this problem. Why? Because is R equivalence relation? R is not equivalence relation. You write here like this. R is not equivalence relation. With example we have shown. You understand na? Whatever you may take example, when A becomes a subset of something, some other set, then B cannot become subset of A. Okay? Therefore, this relation is not equivalence relation. Like that you can write and close the answer. We go for 9th question. Carefully if you observe, given a non-empty set X, consider the binary operation. Say same thing here also we can design some elements and all, and we will show. Here binary operation is there. Earlier question sets were there. Here binary operation is there. Consider the binary operation. What is the binary operation? Star is equal to Px cross Px to Px. Normally we know A cross A to A will be there. Here Px cross Px. That means power set to cross power set. Power set cross power set. That means each set you have to make relation. Power set means power set contains sets, subsets as element. That means subset you have to make relation. That you have to keep in your mind. Given by A star B is equal to A intersection B. This is very carefully you have to observe. What is the operation here? Operation is intersection. A star B means AB normally will be there for binary function or relation. In between star is very important. Star is what? Star is intersection. A intersection B. For all AB in Px. Okay. Where Px is power set, that also we know. Px is power set only. Pa means power set of A. Px is power set of X. Pb means power set of P, B. Okay? That means all subsets together it is going to become power set. Show that X is identity element for this operation. That means we have to show that the X is the identity element. Identity element, what is there, we will write. And we will show that only X is possible. Remaining element you cannot take as identity element like. And X is the only invertible element in Px with this operation. That means here not only identity, even invertible also only X will come. Rather than X doesn't will come like that. Okay. What I do, I'll write some calculation here for understanding purpose. See, first I will make some calculation. Then we go for original problem. Why? Because you have to understand the problem. Say here, universal set, I'll say 1, 2, 3. This universal set you can take as X also. Okay, temporarily. I'll say A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, 2. Like earlier only we have taken. X 1, 2, 3, A 1, B 1, 2. Same numbers I have taken. Now you tell me, A intersection B, what will come? 1 will come. Okay? Okay. Now you tell me B intersection A, 1 will come. A intersection B is equal to A. Okay. B intersection A is equal to not equal to B. Okay. But if you compare now what I am going to do? A intersection X. A intersection X. 1 will come, that is equal to A. B intersection X. 1, 2 will come, that is equal to B. Even if you take C intersection X also, that C will come. See, we have taken only 3 elements, with the 2 only we are doing. Okay. By this what you are able to understand? See, here I am writing identity. For identity. For identity. First identity asked, na? A star E should become A and also E star A should become A. Here star is what? Star is intersection. That means A intersection E should become A. E intersection A also should become A. Okay. Now here we have to find identity, means E we have to find. A is what? A is any subset. Why? Because see, set is X. From this set to power set he has made. Power set means see 1, 2, 3 is there, means I have written already like Px means all will come. Empty set 1, 2, 3 all will come. But each set if you do intersection, that set should come. Here E except universal set, if any other set comes means nothing is possible. That means that element will not come. Why? Because here A has to come. If you intersect with any set, one set intersection with any set, if the same set has to come means that is possible only with universal set. You have seen here X is universal set. First I have written universal set, but again I have made it as X. When if you do intersection with some other sets, see B will not come here. A will come, but B will not come. See here, if you put one identity element, that should applicable for all, but here for A it is okay, for B not okay, not equal to B, but P is not coming. Even if you change this to universal set, then if you give A here, A will come. Even X intersection A also, X intersection A also one only will come. Here X intersection B, X intersection B also B only will come. Now you understand with this example, but how you have to write here? For examination, show that he is asking. You write like this. For resulting same set after intersection, the set should intersect with universal set only. Universal set only. Here universal set is equal to X. Therefore identity comma E is equal to X. Like that you write. 50% of your answer is over. You give this example. And you write this one. For identity A star E is equal to A, E star A. A intersection E is equal to A, E intersection A for identity. But this example you write. First you write this one, then you write this one, then you write this red color. First this black, blue, then red. Red what you have to write? For resulting same set. See, same set has to result. Na? A intersection E is equal to A has to come. B intersection E is B has to come. You write another one also here. B intersection E is equal to B, that is equal to E intersection B. Okay. For resulting same set after intersection, the set should intersect with universal set only. Here universal set U is equal to X. Therefore identity E is equal to X. Like this you write and close your 50% of answer. Then we go for next second part, invertible element also we will see. Okay. Now we are writing for invertible. For invertible or for inverse, you write for inverse. Okay, what is this? See here, A star B is equal to E has to come, and B star A. But E is what here? E is X here. Why? Because identity element X in the same problem only we have concluded that X will be identity X. Okay. Now you tell me here A intersection B intersection A. Why? Because here binary operation is intersection only. Binary operation intersection. Without intersection you cannot take anything. Okay. You tell me now what will come here? To come x, what do you have to apply here? X is universal set. X is universal set. You see here, x intersection x is equal to x will come. Okay, x union x is equal to x will come. Why? Because both having same elements. That is why result is going to come. Same thing will come. But here union is not important. That is why you just for your understanding I have written this union you remove. X intersection is equal to x only. Without x, if you take any other element, is x will come here center. Why? Because center anyway you have to come, x has to come. Why? Because E is identity, A is element, B is inverse. Okay. Is it possible with some other elements rather than x? Not possible. Only with x it is possible. That means inverse also, element also x, inverse also x, result also x, identity also x. Like that you have to write. Okay. You write. How you are going to write this? As if we make intersection, intersection of any sets for coming or for giving universal set as identity, there is only one possibility that intersecting of universal sets only. Therefore, x intersection x is equal to x. That is equal to x intersection x. Okay, like this you write. You understand now? Why? Because rather than universal set, if you take less number of sets, so automatically intersection is going to become that set. Here you see, if you do intersection with A, then A is going to come. But what you have to come? What you have to receive? You have to receive universal set x. You have to receive. When it is possible only when you take x only. X. That is the thing he has written. Only invertible element. That means you write only invertible element x. You write finally only invertible element is x. Close this answer. See the question number 10. Find the number of all onto functions from the set 1, 2, 3 up to n elements are there. This set he has given. To itself, that means same set he is asking number of onto functions. Okay. What is onto function? We know that in see 1, 2, 1, 2. See same set. That means here say this is just means A only. A means A. Let you write here. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, comma n. Number of elements NA is equal to n. Okay. Here you see number of elements in NA is equal to T. See with this comparison example, 2 examples we will take and we will answer this question. Number of elements how much? 2. Okay. Now in how many ways you can make this? See 2 itself means same you have to make and you have to do connection f function. Onto means see like this it will be. Or else another one is 1 to 2, 2 to 1. Rather than these two, any other possibilities are there for functions? It should be onto. You may tell 1 to 1 or 2 to 1 also. Okay, 1 to 1, 2 to 1 is okay, it is function. But whether is it onto? 1 to 1 to say 1 to 1 or 2 to 1. This is also function, that possibility is there, but is it onto? Why? Because he is asking onto here, you see. This is not onto. That means for becoming onto, same elements means it should be one function. One should have connection with one or two. Here one with one, two with two, but here one with two, two with one. But only one, it is possible. Why? Because see here another condition is there. Condition is onto is one condition. Second condition is function from itself. A to A, B to B, C to C. That means C is how many elements are having same elements. Again, you have to keep. Then for becoming onto, you have to make it one only. Okay. Other or else it is not possible. Why? Because number of elements are same means to make it one onto function. Then one function is only you have to make. Okay. Now you have seen how many functions have come here. 2 functions have come. You write that one. This is not onto. That is why I am removing this. Okay. When number of elements 2, that means functions 2. Now I take A is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3 elements I have taken now. Here what will become? NA is equal to 3. Okay. Now you see how many relations will come. Okay. First function. Function 1 is equal to, see, 1 will come, 2 will come, 3 will come. Okay, this is function 1. F2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. Okay, this is F2. F3, 1, same thing will come, but 2, 3, 3, 2. This is another function, third function. Okay. Now F4. Now rather than 1, I will make 2. But here 1 to 3, here 3 to 1. Okay. Then you make F5. 1 over 2 over 3 you make now. 3, 3. But here 2, 1, 2. Okay. Okay. F6. Okay. Now you see 5 possibilities are over, last possibility is there. Only 6 will come. That I will tell you how. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, okay, you know. And 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 1 is also you know. But 1 you have made, and between 2 and 3 you have made. 2 you have made, between 1 and 3 you have made. 3 you have made, between 1 and 3 you have made. Now you see 1 to rather than 2 I have made connection to 3. 2 to rather than 3 I have made connection to 1. Then 3 is having option for 2 only. Is it correct? You see, the function has not repeated, but total 6 functions have come. That means if NA is equal to 3, functions is equal to 6. What you understand here by seeing this? Permutation. That means n factorial. N factorial. 2 factorial is 2 factorial is equal to 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. 3 factorial is equal to 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 6. 6 functions have come. Like this, if n factorial means n factorial. For 2, for 3, for n numbers of relations are there, n numbers of elements are there, then n factorial are going to come relation. You write same thing. Total onto functions is equal to n factorial. Okay. Even in examination, even if you ask 1 also same answer, onto also same answer. Why? Because this 2 itself condition is there. You understand, na? Okay. Now we finished question number 10. In the next class, we will do from 11 question onwards. Thank you.